It's taken for weakness. Now I'm 4 or 5 seconds from wildin', and we got 3 more days till Friday. I'm just trying to make it back home by Monday morning. I said, I wish somebody would tell me, oh, that's all I want.
Sunshine and I'm positive. Then I heard you were talking trash. Hold me back, I'm about to fast.
Yeah, about 4 or 5 seconds. More days till Friday. I'm trying to make it back home by Monday morning. I swear I wish somebody would try.
What's up, traders? Good to have you again. Tell me, how has your day been? How is your day moving for you? Tell me, how are you spending today? Do you have any traders that have looked at their charts today? Do you have any traders that have locked in some profits? Tell me, guys. I really had a great day myself, because why don't? Days are meant to be good. Romeo, good to see ya. Bello, good to see ya. Mohammed, good to have you. Welcome to the Trading Assembly. I am trading binary options, and currently I am looking at Brent oil OTC chart. Let us see if we can lock in any trades already.
That just ain't up for sale.
I know my kindness. Guys, tell me, how have you spent your day today? You know, trading, it's a skill, so the more you're really consistently showing up, the better you're gonna get at your skill. It's all about keeping on practicing and practicing and practicing. That's how you're going to improve your trading skill. Somebody would tell me, alright, structure is bearish. Let's see if we can get any moves already. Yeah, we're in a bearish market, and we all know, even when you're in a bearish market, you can take buy entries, and these will pull back moves. So let us see how these buys close. Ali, good to see ya. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. Why not? Okay, the pullback has happened, and I'm seeing a candle has closed above our high. So let's see if structure is really going to give us a shift in the market or not. Wesley, good to see ya.
I will hold on tight until the afterglow. It will burn so bright till the darkness softly clears. Oh, I will hold on to the
Alright.
Oh, I will hold
Nico, good to have you.
to the afterglow. The weather outside's changing. The leaves are buried under 6 inches of white.
This is a trading assembly. Tell me, traders, how has your day been? Do you have any traders that have locked in any moves? Crazy moves. Tell me, how has your trading session been?
This is a level where we're losing track of time. I'm holding nothing against you. Just you and I.
That was a crazy time.
We were all drunk, waiting on a miracle, trying to find ourselves in a winter snow. So alone in love, like the world that disappeared. Oh, I won't be silent and I won't let go. I will hold on tight until the afterglow.
Alfred, good to see ya. Enright, good to have you.
Oh, I will hold on to
Why? Damn. Buyers have invalidated my soul here. Let us see if we can get another move.
to the afterglow.
Guys, I've really had a beautiful day and the day is already moving well. because we are locked in a trading assembly, so that's how my day has been. Great vibes. I accomplished a lot, and such days where I do a lot, I really love them. There is that fulfillment that comes when you have accomplished what you are planning to do in that day. I don't know if it's the same with you guys, but I always end up feeling so good if I've really done what I was planning to do throughout the day. Yeah, there is that joy it brings me.
Take my secrets, got them like precious money. I never want to hear you quiet, so I write songs for you. Falling for you like a thief, picking the leaves. Just when I see you, I feel to the keys to your heart again. Yeah, yes I believe, I'm falling for you like a thief.
Graham, good to see ya. Trevor, good to have you. Guys, feel free to ask any trading question. My baby, all the things I need. I wanna take a picture so this will last longer for me. Rufus, good to see you. Let us watch the market and see if we can get any moves. But when it comes to trading, it's not all about having a strategy. Also, market discipline is important. And with market discipline, it means that you are patient enough to wait for moves that are coming, to take moves that are in your direction or that are in line with your strategy. That is market discipline. So if you are able to wait and lock in on the entries that you feel they are in line or that tick your strategy confluences, that is discipline. It also adds with having risk management. Risk management is the only way you're going to survive in these markets longer. Yeah, the key is to survive longer. You all know as long as the markets are still open, we are locked in for life. So for you to be able to be locked in for life, you have to have a solid risk management plan. It's really, really important. And when it comes to risk management, it is knowing that you have to risk according to your account size. Trading is a personal thing. So there is nothing to prove. It's about you being disciplined and challenging yourself as a trader. I'm saying that because I know sometimes as traders we can get pressure from maybe trying to produce someone else's results. But remember, it is your account. It is your account against the market. So the best thing you can do for yourself, it is to fully lock in with risk management, market discipline. Yeah, and also respecting your strategy. And that means trading your every single day. You show up and you're trading with your strategy. Consistency is going to help you build repetition, and repetition is going to help you build mastery. All right, guys, first tell me, are you able to hear me well? Are you able to hear me well, guys? Someone tell me. Guys, can you hear me well? Raphael, good to see ya. Crash and Mash, good to have you. Gideon, good to see ya. Jason, good to have you all. Good to have you. Welcome to the trading assembly. I'm gonna get into the details of my strategy in a few. But let us first finish with risk management. Someone is asking, what best risk management do you would you suggest? I feel like the first thing you should consider when it comes to risk management, it is your account size. Because the way you're going to be risking on a big account is not the same way you would be risking on a very small account. So you have to first respect and know your account size. Then you build your risk management.
Forever rise, never fall.
You all know when I'm starting to trade, I start risking small. Then as my account is increasing in size, that's when I also look forward to increasing my risk. So I would also suggest, if you are on your account, that would be the best way to trade. I mean, you start risking small. If you see your account is growing, then you can also consider increasing your risk. That way you will not find yourself putting big pressure on a very small account. Because sometimes actually your trading strategy would be right and the way you're executing would be right, but the problem may come from you putting a lot of pressure on the account, so it ends up getting wiped before you really accomplish what you're planning. So if you start risking small, that is the best risk management you can do. That's my take.
Okay, I'm gonna see what happens.
Interesting. Oh my god. You guys are really interesting and I love you for that. Okay, someone wants to retire me. But guys, we are locked in for life. And this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. Turn around and let him know from behind.
I'ma let him see when he want it each time. Ain't no bitch come faster than Amazon Prime. Yeah. Amazon Prime, ain't no bitch come faster than Amazon Prime. Can't deny it, been on my mind. They get older, they get better with time. Every night I wanna hit that line. Ain't no bitch come
Thank you guys for the compliments. I mean, I'm just a girl and I really love when you give me compliments. So you're saying I look beautiful today. I mean, guys, I feel like I be looking good every day. But thank you for the compliments. You did so well, you deserve all that. Someone was talking about what is the strategy I'm using, and it is price action. When it comes to price action, the things I always look out for whenever I'm on the charts is I have to first understand the market I am dealing with. Yeah, it's always best to know which market condition you're in. You have to know if it's either bearish market, that means the market is going down, or it's a seller's market. You have to know if you are in a bullish market, that is the market going upwards. You have to know if you are in a sideways market, that is a market that trades in between a particular zone. The other thing I always look out for with my strategy, it is market structure. With market structure, you're going to be seeing the turning points in the market. Those are the highs and the lows. So you have to know which market structure is valid for all the market conditions.
First things first, I'm the realest. Drop this and let the whole world feel it. And I'm still in the murder business, I can hold you down.
With a bullish market, we all know market structure has to be series of higher highs and higher lows.
Just like this, yeah.
That is the first thing you have to confirm if you are in a bullish market. The other thing is to know the market structure has to be continuously taking out the highs and maintaining the lows. Hey, you already know I'm in the fast lane. So if you can really confirm those key points with market structure in a bullish market, it's going to be easier for you to look for entries, because if you already know that I'm in a bullish market, you look forward to taking buys or taking pullback entries. But if you really cannot really identify market structure in the bullish market, then placing your entries you may find a hard time doing that, because taking continuation entries, you would want to see buyers giving you a confirmation entry, like seeing a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern after a pullback that didn't take out a most recent low, seeing a pin bar after a pullback. All those can be best entry modes for a bullish market. And for a pullback entry, it would be the opposite. You would wait for the market to break structure to the top side, or you would wait for the market to take out the most recent high. So after taking out the most recent high, you anticipate a pullback in the opposite direction. Then you would want to see a bearish confirmation, like a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern at the top of that trend. From there, you're free to start executing trades in the opposite direction of that trend, which is bullish. And all those conditions can work well in a bearish market. All you have to do is to put it in the opposite way. It's just the opposite. It's like flipping the chart. So that means in a bearish market, you want to confirm market structure, taking out the most recent lows and moving in series of lower highs and lower lows, pulling back and not taking out the most recent high, but continuously taking out the most recent lows. Then the confirmation you're going to need to take any entry. Continuation entry, you would want to see a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, a bearish pin bar, bearish side bars, anything bearish candlestick patterns in key areas. Like I always remind you guys, if you are trading, it's not about looking at the charts. It is always nice to to understand key areas and to understand points that make your strategy valid. Because if you are able to identify that, then we have nothing on you. It is you against the market. The next thing you have to focus on now, it is risk management and psychology. Because with a trading strategy, it is all about knowing the valid points that make your strategy right. Then the next thing you have to deal with as a trader, it is your psychology and risk management. Then that is what is required for you to be fully locked in. Most girls are smart and strong as you. One can't go far, we are unstoppable. Okay, let us first lock in these cells and see how it goes. Oh my goodness, buyers have played me here. Okay, let us see if we can get more move. David, good to see ya. That's good to see you. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. We are here to learn. We are here to catch up. Tell me, how has your trading session been? Did you lock in any good entries? Did you lock in some good entries? I mean, trading is all about that, catching up with fellow traders, sharing your experience. Because with that, guys, don't sit on something that is disturbing you. Share with us. I mean, we have here good traders. They can really help, and I'm also here to help. I'm here to share with you guys. So, there's a link in the description for the platform I'm using and its pocket options. Amora is here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So be sure to join the trading assembly and we move. Most girls, they fight to make every day. No two are the same. I wanna be like most girls. Week, good to see ya. All my entries are based on pure price action strategy and also the indicators. I just add them for more confirmation because we all know when it comes to trading, it's not just trading candles because I'm seeing a red candle, then I sell. You need confirmation. So having a strategy and maybe locking your strategy in with more indicators to get a better confirmation. That's how it should be. In your place, I with my own name on it. Bring the name on it, just wait on it.
They say that I manipulate the youth. Nah, I don't get it wrong. I speak the truth. This is deeper than the roots. Look around, you see the proof. No excuse for what you see.
My candles are 5 seconds. My expiration time is 15 seconds.
I ain't count 100 M's yet. I ain't about to be there in the bench yet. And I ain't fuck all our friends yet. My mama said it ain't about a dollar, cause a dollar just a dollar only.
God can make you prosper.
And baby, when you
Do it proper.
they ain't trying to hit, better holler. That only wife the chicken, she a scholar. If she down, then she a rider.
She be wishing from the bottom cause
Nowadays it's kinda hard to find them, cause every rich and bring a dollar.
100 on the highway.
Riding in that Honda, Glock on the side.
Cause they're looking at me sideways. I mean, that's a beast move. That's what a beast do. And this and you're a beast too. But I'm still riding, even with the wheels off. I'm holding up for me. I know that this will not for me. That's why I keep my eyes wide. That's why I keep a side eye and I keep a low nose. I just want an audio A with the matte black paint. Guys, someone is saying, I want to trade with you. How can you do it? All you have to do is to first accept that you are a trader and also get a trader's mindset. Because with my experience in trading, I realize when it comes to trading, learning a strategy is so easy, but what comes after you have learned the strategy is what sometimes is really hard. Showing up consistently is not easy, and also me to build that consistency, it took me some time, but the reason why it took me that long, it is because I kept on having that mindset. I hadn't fully locked in. So the moment, I believe the first thing you have to do is to understand that I'm fully locked in as a trader. From there, you have to do everything and anything a trader has to do until it works out for you. Casamiga found to make some changes because they was on the same shit. I just wanna go and get it. I don't have no patience. The self-praise, self-paid, self-made shit. Someone, Amora is here, guys, every night, every single day, 8 p.m. UK time. So if you want to be joining the trading assembly, that is the time we fully lock in. Yeah, we take no day offs. We take no day offs, guys. We are locked in for life every single day. Because dreams are so big, we have to push hard. My strategy is simple. It is price action. And all my entries I'm taking right now are based on that. Structure is bullish. The market has just taken out the most recent high, and we all know after a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback in the opposite direction. Pullbacks can happen immediately, or sometimes they take some time. I keep on reminding you about that thing because it really affected me so much when I was starting out to trade. Every time I would see a break of structure, I would just execute a pullback moves, but sometimes I would find myself being taken out. It is because I wasn't really executing mechanically or executing as a pro trader. So the best thing you have to know as a trader is after a break of structure, we all anticipate a pullback in the opposite direction, but you wait for a confirmation. You do not just execute because that is what it is. You have to wait for confirmation that gives you a signal that yes, the pullback is really kicking in. Then you go with that. And like I always tell you, whatever happens after your entry, after you have executed, it's none of your business. Because when it comes to trading, once you execute that trade, you have nothing much you can control. You can only control before you have executed. But once you have opened that trade, you really can't control anything. Because, for example, if I take sales now, I cannot really push the market down for the sales to go in my direction. I just have to sit and wait. And that is the mindset you should have, because if we really had control of what happens after we execute entries, then trading would not be as risky as it is. So you have to also put that in your mindset that whatever happens after execution, I have no control, but I can control before execution. That means I can wait for a confirmation, then I get into the trade. But after that, you can't do anything. So that's a mindset you should be moving with. That's why trading is, you should have a probabilistic mindset. That's what it means. That after execution, anything can happen. The trade can go against you or it can go in your direction. All you have to do is to wait. And at this level, at this rate, after your execution, the only thing that can save you, it is risk management. That means that every single trade you're executing, you're not risking a bigger percentage of your account on it. You cannot execute a big percentage on a single trade, so that in case the trade goes against you, you're not fully wiped out, that you cannot take more trades. Oh my. Such low momentum has taken out my entry.
past corners that still breathe ghosts. Old faces and murals, I raise my toast to the ones that fell, to the lives they wrote. We the ink, we the page, we the antidote. I seen kids trade books for a pack and scale. Seen heaven hide deep in a cell block tale. The preacher said, faith don't fail, but when the rent due, even angels bail. I remember them nights with a pen and a lighter, plotting my escape, dreaming bigger, tighter. Now the stage got lights, but the flame burn brighter. Still the same block writer, just a sharper fighter.
Still find light. City bleed dreams in the dead of night. Every scar's a line that defines my fight. Ashes and ambition, I'm still alright. Through the fire, still find light. City bleed dreams in the dead of night. Every scar's a line that defines my fight. Ashes and ambition, I'm still alright.
Now success got taste, but it came with ghosts. Love turned envy when the bag get close. Fame ain't freedom, just a different dose. Still trying to stay grounded when the cameras post. My reflection talk back like remember the block. Them cold nights, hunger pains, prayers on lock. Now I'm popping corks where the sirens knock. But I never lost soul, just switch my stock. I still carry them lessons like hidden scars. Still write my truth over jazz guitar. You can polish a crown, but the paint still marred. From the curb to the charts, I became who we are. We ain't just survivors, we architects. We build castles out of struggle,
Turn broken glass into gold.
turn broken glass into reflections of greatness.
Ashes and
Ashes and ambition,
that's the legacy.
that's the legacy.
Big love. Big love.
Yeah. You would feel the weight of your city on your shoulders. Every brick, every block got a story to tell. I ain't just rapping, I'm remembering. From broke dreams to gold schemes. It's that big vibe, baby, let's ride. Yeah.
Born with the sirens, harmonized with ambition. Mama praying hard, I was lost in the friction. Dreams on a clothesline, poverty, addiction. Life in 4K, no filter, pure conviction. I was raised on the corners where the world don't blink. Learn money over mercy quicker than you think. School books traded for a pack and a link. Hope drown slow in that brown paper drink. But I wrote bars like scripture. Survival my religion, every lyric a confession. Every verse a vision. Had to dodge fate, play chess with decisions. Turned the pain to paint, made my own exhibition.
Through the struggle, I still breathe. City on my back, won't let it bleed. From the bricks to the sky, I believe. Bricks and prayers, that's all I need. Through the struggle, I still breathe. City on my back, won't let it bleed. From the bricks to the sky, I believe. Bricks and prayers, that's all I need.
The skyline shimmer, but the scars don't fade. Success tastes bitter when it's pain made. Still see ghosts in the alleys I played, where the innocent dreams got hustled and betrayed. Every dollar earned got a name engraved. Every friend lost left my heart to pray. But I rise, yeah, I'm self-made and brave. Turn my downfall into the gold I crave. Still I reminisce them cold nights, no meal. Stepping over hope just to cop that deal. Now the mic my weapon, my wounds my seal. Every rhyme I drop, every line I hear.
Through the struggle, I still breathe. City on my back, won't let it bleed. From the bricks to the sky, I believe. Bricks and prayers, that's all I need. Through the struggle, I still breathe. City on my back, won't let it bleed. From the bricks to the sky, I believe. Bricks and prayers, that's all I need.
Now I'm looking down from a penthouse pane. Same block still whisper my name in the rain. I ain't changed, just rearrange the game, new frame. Same hunger in the flame. I move with ghosts, tone, mic and them. Still pour a little out when I toast to them. The fame don't fix what the nights condemn. It just magnify the scars deep within. But I'm grateful. Every step paid by stress. Every L was a test. Every test success. So I breathe this truth for my chain on chest. A big spirit in the world obsessed. We built built this from dust, faith, and hustle. No silver spoons, just paper plates and perks. So when they ask what kept me alive, I tell them, bricks and prayers, forever. Every block got a story. Some written in chalk, some in chains, some in champagne. Me, I just write mine in pain. Let's talk about it. Born where the shadows teach survival and sin. Dreams die young where the sirens begin. Mama praying on her knees for the rent again. While I'm scribbling schemes with a pad and pen, no headset. Boy, don't trust that hope. But the game looks sweet when you broken cold, steel toe dreams. Heavy lows we hold, trying to turn them corner tails into solid gold. Fist full of change, heart full of rage. Notebooks filled with a prophet's page. I seen smiles fade and the lies get paid. But I learned how to rhyme my way out the cave.
That's what we are, shining bright, but we hide the scars. So the pain, we still go far, trying to find peace beneath the star. Broken gold, that's what we are, shining bright, but we hide the scars. So the pain, we still go far, trying to find peace beneath the stars.
Now the world got bigger, but the block still calls. Success tastes bitter when your day ones fall. I done walked through hell with my back to the wall. Now I sip on dreams, reminiscing on it all. Every dollar earned got a ghost attached. Every smile fake, every bridge got patched. They love you in the light, but they hide when you match. So I move in silence where the truth stay latched. Street talk math, one loss, two pain. Multiply stress, divide the shame. Still I kept my faith through the acid rain. Cause the soul don't heal if the scars stay plain.
That's what we are, shining bright, but we hide the scars. To the pain, we still go far, trying to find peace beneath the stars. Broken gold, that's what we are, shining bright, but we hide the scars. To the pain, we still go far, trying to find peace beneath the stars.
Now I'm sitting in the coupe with the city in view, but the fame just remind me of what pain could do. Still humble, still real, still pay my due. Still poor for the ones that ain't make it through. Money don't mend what the nights done tore. Love don't live where the hate encore. But I'm built from the dirt, designed for more. From the basement grind to the marble floor. Big spirit, small circle, no clones allowed. I speak truth in the booth, make my angels proud. And when the curtains close and they play that sound, they gon' say he wore his crown unbowed. Yeah. We all broken, but we still glow. That's the code. Ain't about where you from. It's how you grow.
I know it's just something about you. Got me feeling like I can't be without you. Anytime someone mention your name, I be feeling as if I'm around you. Ain't no words to describe you, baby. All I know is that you take me high. Can you tell that you drive me crazy? Cause I can't get you out my mind. When I wake up, think of you again.
This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question.
Wake me up inside.
Like that one. Oh my god, I love this. Buyers are onto something here. Dancing in the mirror, singing in the shower. Buyers are onto something. Someone comment going to the moon because it seems like this is where they are taking the markets. And traders, tell me, how is your day been? Do you have any traders that locked in profits? Do you have any traders where you move the market? Because after every trading session, as a trader, you have something to really talk about that session. You love me up inside like the 4th of July. I always seem to smile and people ask me why. Guys, I'm just trying to continue with that uptrend because why not? Until buyers give me a reason not to, then I'll consider taking sales. But my bias is completely bullish.
There ain't no guarantee, but I take a chance on we. Baby, let's take our time.
Levin, good to see ya. Cat lover, good to have you. Good to have you all traders in the building. The indicator you're seeing on the chart, it is Keltina channel. I use it for more confirmation with price action strategy. Whenever I'm looking at the indicator, I want to see a breakout either to the top side of the indicator or to the downside of the indicator. So if I see a breakout to the top side of the indicator, I'm going to anticipate buyers in the market. But with price action strategy, I would want to also see market structure shifting bullish to get a more confirmation that yes, buyers are really coming into the market. There, I'll start considering taking buy trades, and the opposite, a breakout. Wait, oh my goodness. Okay, let us buy the market again because I'm still anticipating more buyers.
It's been 3 weeks now that I've been in this city.
Let's see how it goes.
But there's no fish there. What's going on now? What is that? What? Instagram. Stop talking and take the picture, my brother. Stop talking and take the picture. My name is Sugar Daddy. Your boyfriend is important, but I am important now. So come and use me, baby.
Sellers are really playing me here. If you see a breakout to the downside of the indicator, you're going to anticipate sellers coming into the market. To use both the indicator and price action, you would want to see the market structure shifting bearish to give you a better confirmation that sellers are really present in the market. Then there you will start considering taking sell entries. When it comes to trading, and if you want to really be a better trader, do not just trade with just looking at candlesticks. You would want to see confirmations, trade confirmations, not candlesticks. No, I see you. Use me, baby. Guys, in a few, you're gonna get into the donations. All you have to do is to stay locked in so that you don't miss out on anything. How long should you stay on the chart to avoid over trading? It works two-way for me. That's one thing I would say. If I'm like in a session where the session I'm more focused on learning compared to just fully locking in trades, I believe that session is actually supposed to last longer because you're really trying to practice something or testing out something. But if it's a personal normal trading session, I don't think you should spend about 12 hours on the chart. That is crazy. That is crazy. It shouldn't be so long. But again, we all know when it comes to trading, it's something personal. And it's all about you building discipline that suits your personal lifestyle and personal trading style. As a trader, you should come up with that strategy, discipline, everything that suits your personal lifestyle and your trading style. Because as traders, we all don't have the same personal lifestyles or the same trading styles. So what suits you, it's what you should build your trading around it. Use me, baby. Aha. Okay, I can see you guys are already locked in. Marik, Birdie, 11, Enid. Someone is asking what is locked in. Locked in is basically being locked in. Okay, locked in this case as traders, it means that the moment I wake, I'm not going to allow any form of distraction. I'm going to give full maximum focus on what I am doing to get better results out of the market. Because if you're not really giving your full focus, you may find yourself you're not utilizing yourself to the maximum potential of what you can do. So you have to lock in. Locking in is about maximizing your full focus or potential in the market. So as a trader, you have to lock in with your trading time. You lock in with the chart, your strategy. Everything has to be consistent. And the moment you're really looking at the charts, full focus, no distractions. Because you could get distracted and you miss out on nice moves. Going to win to survive. All right, market structure is bullish. Just by looking at this, you can see the market is giving us highs, taking out the highs, pulling back, not taking out the lows, and continuing upwards. That is what a bullish market should really look like. And like I always tell you, whenever you're on your execution time frame or you are on a lower time frame, you should have an open mindset that trends do not overlast, because they only just be facilitating either pullbacks or continuations on a higher time frame. So the moment you see any signal that is showing you that the market is shifting, don't hesitate to shift with the market, because you could be holding on to trades when the market is already switching and it keeps on taking you out. So, Everhart, now you're fully locked in. all right, that's nice. Guys, of course on this channel there are videos talking about my strategy, and also on this stream, feel free to ask any trading question, because that's the reason why we're here. We're here to lock in and also learn. And whenever you're looking at your charts, knowing where the most recent high, most recent low, and the most recent structure break are, it's really going to help you to know whether to take continuation trades or taking pullback entries. If you find it so hard to map those points, you just keep on practicing, because when it comes to trading, the more you really commit yourself to learn and also practice more and more, the better your skill is going to get at. That's one thing I can tell you. That's one thing I can really tell you. Since the excellers are really shifting this market, so I'm gonna keep selling, because why not? Hey there, hey there. Sellers are really doing this for us. All right, guys, let us get into the donations. Someone comment ready. For all those that are ready for the donations, let me see you comment ready. And you know how we do it. We first secure our profits for tonight. Then we get into the... Yeah, someone comment ready. Someone comment ready. Ready. Yeah, in a few, we are going to get into them. Oh my God, you guys are really locked in. Okay, let us get our first participants for tonight. Guys, let us wish luck to all our participants for tonight. And if you want to be part of the participants, there's a donation link down in the description. You can use that and you surely join. Donations are not financial investments, they are purely for trading and learning purposes. So let us lock in these entries already. First attempt is locked in. Trading, and whenever I'm looking at the charts, the thing that I'm always looking out for, it is where is the most recent high, where is the most recent low. As a price action trader, it is really important to be able to mark out those 2 points, because most of the time the market is either moving up to take out a high or moving down to take out a low. So knowing where those 2 points are, it is really important, especially on your execution time frame. All right. Let me see you type congratulations to Vexa, guys. Let me see you type congratulations. Hey. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. The link is down in the description for the donations. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. So let's do that. Mahabi Anale. Baby. I want to see more congrats. I want to see more congrats to Victor. And we move on to our next. And guys, feel free to ask any trading question. Okay, guys, just 2 attempts to go. Oh my goodness. Look at this momentum from buyers. The moment I see 2 candles closing above my buy entries, I just know this trade is is locked in. Won't be turning away. Baby. Baby. This is our second attempt, and it's already heading in our direction. Okay, guys, let me see type congratulations to Daxon. Let me see type congratulations to our participant. 2 attempts are fully locked in. Fully locked in. And you know how we do it, guys.
She got the brown eyes, caramel thighs,
Long hair away.
I saw you looking from across the way, and now I really wanna know your name.
She got that
White dress when she's wearing legs, man, you know that she drives me crazy. The brown eyes, beautiful smile, you know I love what you do your thing.
I love her hips,
First lips say the words, te amo mami, te amo mami.
I kiss her. This love is like a dream. So journey this pain. I mean, push up on me and say, darling. William, good to see ya. Carl, good to see ya. Boss Clever, good to have you. Enid, good to see you all, guys. Jaquays, Column, Everhart, good to see ya. Fenright, good to have you all, guys, in the building. Week, good to see ya. Graham, guys, I know you're fully locked in. I mean, switch up on me and sit down. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant. Everything goes to the participant right away. So let's do that. I mean, all participants for tonight, enjoy. You're gonna be cruising by a weekend. You risk your life. Joshua, good to see ya. So we also need 2 attempts for this participant. Let's do that.
I think the egg got a little jungle fever. Hey, you want more than signboard? Legs up and tongue out, Michael Jordan. Go exploring, sun foreign. Bust it up in rainforest if you want. Kiss me like you need me, rub me like a genie. Pull up to my spot in Lamborghini, cause you gotta see me, never leave me. You got a girl that can finally do it all. Drop a album, drop a baby, but I never drop it.
I'm really anticipating more buyers. It's for us. Oh my goodness. Damn, this really overplayed on our entry. Okay, guys, let us refund and try again. We all know if I take an L the first attempt, I refund. So let's do that.
Jump in that water, be free. Come south of the border with me.
Now the paper stacking slow, but the wisdom grow fast. Used to count change, now I'm changing my past. Through the glass of the flash, reflections of my class. Survivor of the cycle, now I'm built to last. My man.
Young Money, Nicki Minaj,
Tonight I wanna show you off. So we need to look for 2 attempts, and whenever guys I'm executing, of course it has to be a confirmation. You have to first understand which market I'm in, the market structure. Market structure is really important. I believe it really works for every strategy as long as you're looking at a candlestick chart. Knowing market structure, knowing valid market structure is important because it's gonna be directing you on the turning points in the market. Let us get our second attempt.
Body rock, girl, I can feel your body rock. Take a bow, yeah, I know how to stick it now. We gonna party like it's 30-12 tonight. I wanna show you all the finest things in life. So just forget about the world beyond tonight. I'm coming for you, I'm coming for you.
All I need is beauty and the beat who can make my life complete. Guys, we are in with our second attempt and I'm already loving how it is looking, already heading in our direction. This is the beauty about being patient, guys. It all comes to this. Patience has always rewarded, but has always rewarded traders. Let me see, type congratulations to Lachelle. Let me see, type congratulations to our participants. Careful, Ivy. I'm always careful, Nick. I'm always careful. Because when it comes to trading, discipline is really key. So guys, let us, you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away. So let's do that. I need to see more congratulations, guys. I need to see more congratulations. It's only getting greater. 4 attempts for our next participant, so let us lock them in. And this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Tell me how is your day moving for you. There are a few market disciplines that if any trader can learn, they are really going to improve your trading style and just make you a better trader. And one of them, it is really being patient. Because I realized most of the trading losses I was making back then, they were really coming from either chasing the market, that is entering the market too early, or fear of execution. All those things, they sum up, but if you really be patient and you learn to wait to take an entry based on your strategy, it's really going to change not only your trading psychology but also improve your trading and increase your strike rate. So as a trader, learning patience is really important. Learning how to be patient is something that is going to improve your trading. And it's really something, to be honest, it is really something I struggled with. It's not something I really learned just within a few days. It's something that I had to really learn over and over again.
Time's up for everybody, I'm collecting on debts. And I swear this champagne just tastes better on jets. I'm just out here being great, but this is real as it gets. I put my team in position, now they making a killing. Stacking blue faces straight to the ceiling. Out in Vegas, I'm with them ordering bottles of the ace when they send them. Till it ain't enough space up on the
So let us look into more attempts to go. My day one. Let us first take the buys here. I'm only getting greater. Buyers are still pushing this up, so okay, sellers are kicking in. And when I see this is a pure, very nice pullback. Look at the candlestick formation here. So let us see how it goes. Listen. Oh my goodness. Damn. We have been played here by buyers. I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that. Next time we'll do better. That really took us crazy on our final attempt. Okay, let us move to silver.
We were staying in Paris to get away from your parents, and I thought, wow, if I could take this in a shot right now, I don't think that we could.
Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. I'm using the indicators with the default settings. Then we go down together. The market is still bullish, so I'm still anticipating buyers in the market. But we all know even in a bullish market, you can still take pullback entries. So let us first look in this pullback. Just one single attempt. Oh my, it's really playing. It's really playing on me. Damn. Let us refund and try again.
We ain't victims, we authors.
And a pullback is really happening. Okay. Let's show them we are better. Guys, we are gonna try again for silver. We all know if I take a loss on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So we are doing that. We need to lock in this attempt.
Go down together. They say you could do anything. They say that I was clever. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll
Get away with everything.
Let's show them we are better. We staying better. We were staying better. We were staying better. We were staying better. Let's show them we are better. We staying better.
I'm taking a pullback move here, guys. Okay, and it's already heading in our anticipated direction. Yeah, we are about to type congratulations. Let me see, type congratulations to our participant, Silver. Let me see, type congratulations, guys. This has really given me some crazy good move. And you know how we do it? Everything goes to the participant right away. Wiki Henrietta. Honestly, I find Henrietta such a beautiful name. Yeah. Alfred, good to see ya. We move on to our next. This is a trading assembly. You all know we are here to learn.
Something about the way she moved. I can't figure it out.
Something about her. You're welcome. You're welcome. It's such a beautiful name.
Can't figure it out.
Something about her.
She walk like the boss, talk like the boss, manicure nails or something pedicure raw. She's fly effortlessly. She move like the boss, do what the boss do. She got me.
Champagne wishes.
That's the kind of girl I need.
She got her own thing.
That's why I love her.
You feel me? Let's go.
Hey Samantha, your mother tell me about that boy the way I talk, you know. I want you to leave that boy there alone. You hear me, sir? Don't play with me, and no make me you have none. You understand me?
City get busy.
If I let it go, you won't get it for me. I'm saying that I only have everything. You give me such a wonderful feeling. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh. Once we stay together, what's the only thing I'm thinking of? Guys, I need you locked in, so comment locked in, so in case I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. You be my baby love. I need you fully locked in, and eyes locked on that chart. And that's how it should be throughout your trading session. Just watching the market, continuously analyzing it, analyzing the structure, where are the most recent highs, where is the most recent market break of structure. We all know a valid break of structure, it has to be with a candle closing above or below in a bearish market. Let's stay together. Let me see, type congratulations to Noah. Noah Blake, congratulations. I'm thinking, okay.
How you do that?
Don't let the concrete choke your growth.
Yeah, you know you're bad from me, man. Love the way you bring me back and go on. Are you may give me love until the day that me gone? Are you me number one? Are you me true champion?
Hey, you going at the title scan. And you know how we do it, guys? Everything goes to the participant right away. Because why not? Because why not? Let us move on to our next.
Concrete streets, broken dreams.
Even though they tell me that I'm crazy, you know I'll always be my baby love. Everything I still in the morning when I'm waking up. Even though they tell me that I'm crazy. Thank you guys. Thank you. Can't get enough. Buyers are still moving these markets. They are really onto something.
That's why the sirens sang. Life was a gamble, every step a pain. Still I rose, each let my soul
Most recent high is taken out.
dreams in the sea.
What do? You start anticipating a pullback.
Free life flow and we fight for the light.
Pullbacks don't happen immediately. Sometimes they happen immediately. That is the mindset you should always have whenever you're looking at the markets. And like I told you guys, that mindset, it took me long to have it, and I would find myself being taken out and the market still gives me what I had really anticipated. So you have to just trade with confirmation that this is deep. This is a deep pullback here. Can I go where you go? No, when it comes to really trading, you should just have an open mindset that if I see a break of structure, we all know the rule is after a break of structure, the market pulls back, but it doesn't happen immediately sometimes it happens immediately. So as a trader, what you have to do is after seeing a break of structure, you start anticipating a pullback, but you would want to trade that pullback with a confirmation. That means if I'm in a bullish market, the market takes out the most recent low, or the market breaks structure to the top side, I start anticipating a pullback in the opposite direction, but I'm only going to take that opposite direction trade when I see a confirmation from sellers. That's what it means. Oh my god, what was this? That's crazy. It happened so fast. I'm sorry about that, Anderson. Our second attempt is taken out. I take this magnetic force over man to be my lover. Pass from the horizon to end up with you. Swearly over dramatic and true to my on your daddy's platform. Every time. New question, we are here to learn. Crash and mash. Let me hope you really got that. Yeah, you have to really know those things. Those are the mechanical things you have to add in your trading. You start seeing results. Every trader knows that after a breakout structure, a pullback happens. But a better trader has to know they have to wait for a confirmation to take those pullback entries. Lover.
Oh, where should I wear my hair?
Let us look in our next attempt.
Stop. Turn this off.
In my brain, bunch of chemicals all in my veins, feeling all the highs, feel all the pain. Let go of the wheel, it's the bullet lane.
Alright guys, let me say type congratulations to our participant. 2 attempts are fully locked in, as they should. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away. Let me see type congratulations to Silas. Yeah. Way that you move, baby. Never turn around and never do you stand. Look at this right, guys.
I could overdose. Stop playing the safe, girl. I wanna see you lose control.
Oh my goodness. Let us refund and try again. We all know if I take a name on the first attempt, I refund. So let's do that. For the knee. You, babe, and now I'm sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I can turn around and you will be useless. You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome, my dear. I mean, you're gonna be cruising the entire weekend because why don't? Because why don't? This is our second. Already giving us.
They used to tell me. I hope you wanna make it on your own.
Let me see. Type congratulations to Beckley.
Everything you want and that you chose. I hope that it's the realest thing that you ever know.
Hope you get the pretty girls are free to everything.
$1 million dreams, $1 million dreams. And when you get it all, just remember one thing.
Remember one thing.
One man
Could change the world. Guys, let me see. Type congratulations to Beckley. 2 attempts are fully locked in. 2 attempts are fully locked in, and you know how we do it.
All I wanted was $100 million in the bag. Chick, imagine this a muscle nights. It felt like that I had it back on the mattress, staring at the ceiling, trying to connect the dots, but it's I'm making no attachments. I'm talking dreaming so hard, some nights it felt like trap day. You know, my step brother used to flip them bags outside the crib like it was trash day. No Kim K, buddy back, yeah. But when you get it fast, money slow down, don't crash. With all the drive in the world, swear you still need gas. Look, think about it. Close your eyes, dream about it, tell your team about it. Go make $1 million schemes about it. Success is on the way, I feel it in the distance. Used to look up at the stars and be like, ain't too much that's different. I be shining, they be shining. Get you one shot, don't you miss it.
You know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant. So let's do this.
And if you love yourself, just know you'll never be alone. I hope that you get everything you want and that you chose. I hope that there's a realest thing. $1 million prayers, have $1 million dreams. And when you get it all, just remember one thing. Remember one thing.
One man could change the world. One man could change the world.
My grandma told me if you write your name in stone, you'll never get the white out. I granted out that black hole and performed up at the White House, standing next to Jim Carrey. We traded stories and laughed. I said, you're not the only one I know got rich wearing masks. Where I'm from, I swear they broke. They need way more than the cash. We need more than what you have, and then we need more than that. But how I'm supposed to say I'm tired if that girl from West Virginia came up in conditions that I couldn't survive? When the war came back alive, on top of that became a female black captain. When being black, you had the extra try. Way before James Brown made us proud. She bought a crib on the same street as Marvin Gaye, right there on out of drive.
Oh my goodness, where is this selling momentum coming from? Oh, this is some crazy kind. Let us shift and try again.
Hope that you get everything you want and that you chose. I hope that it's the realest thing that you ever know. Hope you get the pretty girls, it's
Free and everything.
$1 million cribs, have $1 million dreams. When you get it all, just remember one thing.
Let us do this again.
One man can change the world. One man can change the world.
Na 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 na.
That's all good. I love you, Grandma.
Bye.
This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. All my entries are based on price action strategy. So let us first look in these buys here. These are the entries that I really love, guys. These are the moves I love taking, where you execute and immediately flies into your direction. And if such moves, like I already said, they were the only moves happening from the markets, believe me, everyone would be a trader. But again, because they don't happen every single time, that's why not everyone is a trader. By the water.
She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him. She tells him, oh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love.
LT girl.
She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life.
There's a link in the description for the platform that I'm using.
Gonna do what I got to do. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye,
Alright.
don't you cry.
That was really playing around our entry, but fully locked in. Just one more attempt to go for Maribel. So let us watch and see. Okay. I'm loving this. I'm loving this, guys. Are you seeing it? Salas have given us some good, crazy momentum here. Okay, let me see type congratulations, guys. Let me see type congratulations. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away.
So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye,
Baby.
I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry.
Rock back. Alfred, Levin, Henrietta, Graham, Drip, Fenright. Let us move on to our next. But guys, I need to be seeing more congratulations, more congratulations.
Trying to keep out the cold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt
Guys
you,
are
love.
crazy.
I'm gonna give you all of my love.
Nobody wants like you.
She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good
Feel free to ask any trading question.
life to do.
I just need to look into attempts. So this is already moving in my anticipated direction. One more to go. LT girl, it is pocket options, and there's a link in the description for it. Oh my god. Best momentum from sellers. This is beautiful. This really moved fast. Let me see you type congratulations to Brima. Let me see you type congratulations to Brima. I need to see more congratulations, guys.
Yo, what you saying, my boy? So my boy head break on the side of the road. You already know she vex. She always vex the man. Don't worry. I don't make it out that later. Yeah, you don't know. It's the International Lovers Rock. Make sure that the love don't stop. Round and round the clock. How say?
Right banner.
I give you everything you want.
Hey.
All you talk about is everything I don't.
Sellers are really onto something. They are onto something. But guys, if you see such a move, don't think of really rushing the entries. You wait for where you can get an entry from. And that is, you just wait for a slight pullback, get in and cruise with the momentum. That is the easiest way you can be cruising with with the market that is really trending. If you want to get continuations, wait for a slight pullback and hop on in anticipation to cruise with that trend. I just to make up.
Make it up to me, baby. I make you happy in the bed, but girl, it's so much better anytime I get you mad. Yeah, why you so wicked and bad? Attitude makes me
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Everything goes to the Franciscan tried away.
Sometimes you love me, sometimes you coming from my head. Yeah, we out with the old town, fighting like teenagers all over again. Then I threaten that I'm gonna leave. Then we get back to it again, and baby, here's the reason.
I love it when we fight just to make up.
Funny how backwards turn to making love. I get
Just because I love it when we fight just to
Make it up to me, baby.
I'll make it up to you, baby. I'll make it up to you, baby. I'll make it up to you. Make it up to you.
Well, make it up to me, baby. Well, make it up to me, baby.
Damn, our first attempt is taken out. Let us refund and try again. We fight just to make up.
Funny how backwards turn to making love. I can't let you feel just
Brooklyn spirit, worldwide hunger.
fight just to make love. Fight just to make love. Funny how backwards turn to making love.
I get under your skin. We are trying again, and I'm already loving what I'm seeing.
Make it up to me, baby.
I really don't want to see any buyers in this zone. Come on. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry about that.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. Being flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM, looking violent. Talking while you come around and not in silent. Through the quick 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' ship it only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. No, baby, in a bag and I'm Birkin. No, not a vibe, put the work in. Laws and all, I love them all to me, baby. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, get you my last name. No, you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You're the only one I'm trying to make love to, picking and choosing. They ain't really love you, running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real nigga stepping in.
Hey, the niggas love you, just some patience.
Tell them that it's over, ain't nothing minutes. You ain't gotta be frustrated.
I don't wanna play no games, play no games.
Fuck around, give you
And when I see this high taken out, I'm going to shift my bias to bias being in control. But for now, Lucky, good to see ya. Ability, good to see ya. Montez, good to have you. My bias is bearish until I see a shift in structure. And that I want to be seeing a candle closing above that high. It is not about the market shifting. I would want to be seeing a candle closing. Candle closures are really important, especially in key areas. So if you're looking at the markets, you have to put that in mind. Key areas are important, and seeing how the candle is closing in that zone.
I could tell you crazy, but shit kinda intrigued me.
Okay.
Seen it on the ground, trying to see that shit in 3D.
All right, I'm taking buys here.
I know I get around cause I like to move freely. But you can lock it down, I can tell by how you treat me. Seeing how you did homeboy, so please take it easy. Good to have me on your
This is a
side.
trading assembly. Someone comment locked in. Tell me, guys, where are you locked in from? Where are you locked in from? Where are you watching me from?
Seeing how you did homeboy, please take it easy on me.
I don't wanna play no games, play no. To look in. Okay, let me see. Type congratulations to our participant. Let me see. Type congratulations to our participant. I see you guys from UK. I see you guys from Nigeria, Uganda.
I fly with the stars in the skies. I am no longer trying to survive.
Yeah.
I believe that
Good to
life
see you
is
all.
a
Good to
prize,
see you
but to
all.
live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire. It's my
Yes, ma'am.
empire. And yes, I call the shots. I am the umpire.
Rahul, good to see ya. We move on to our next.
I'm king. In this very
Move on
moment,
to
I
our
slay
next.
Goliath with the sling. This
Okay.
very moment I bring. Put it on everything that I will retire
Just
with
one
the ring,
attempt for
and I will
Barbara.
retire with the crown. Yes. No, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, Young Money raised me. Grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't phase me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment, we'll be syndicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they deprived me of. Put your drinks up. It's a celebration every time we
Let us lock in these
We done did
cells.
everything they could
And feel
think
free to
of.
ask any trading question. We are always here to learn.
That I could have this moment for life.
Oh my goodness, this was a quick shift.
Moment I just feel so alive.
Damn. Let us refund and try again. These are the moments when I feel like the market is really being the market. But let us move again.
What I tell 'em, ho, bow, bow, bow to me, drop down to your knees. Your money, the mafia, that's where the love sees. I'm in the Dominican, Big Papi Ortiz, doing target practice, all these groupies just
I'm
saying
expecting
the
sellers
Shout out
to
the
bring this
CEO,
down.
500 degrees. Shout out to the OBO, red wings and fatigues. So they want to be friends, how coincidental. This supposed to be our year, we ain't get the memo. A young king, pay me a gold. 40
Sorry
got a bunch
about
of
that.
people, he ain't even roll. These niggas be dropping songs, they ain't even cold.
Sorry
Weezy
about
on top
that,
of that, we ain't even
Barbara.
home yet. Yeah, be very afraid. These other rappers getting bodied and carried away. Forget me and Nicki getting married today.
Move
And
on
now
to
you
our
that be
next.
hating can catch a bouquet. Ooh, Yeah, you a star in my eyes. You and all them white girls, party of five. Are we drinking a little more? I can hardly decide. I can't believe we really made it. I'm partly surprised. I swear, damn, this one for the books, man. I swear this shit is as fun as it looks, man. I'm really trying to make it more than what it is. Cause everybody dies, but not everybody lives.
Said I can have this moment for life. For life. For life. 'Cause in this moment I just feel so alive. 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 I wish that I could have this moment.
This is really moving well. And I really love this candlestick confirmation. If you see a pin bar followed by a candle that is signaling that direction, always take that trade. Because most of the time, such a candle confirmation is strong. It's strong. It's showing strength in the markets.
Drifting away, I'm one with the sunset. I have become alive. I wish that I could have this moment for life. For life. For life. 'Cause in this moment I just feel so alive. 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 I wish that I could have this moment for life. For life. For life.
This is our final attempt.
It's my moment, I just feel so alive. Alive.
Okay, Baz have done that for us. Let me see type congratulations to Linorex. Yeah, we have hit our targets. Let me see type congratulations. Guys, one thing about trading, losses are part of the game. Losses are really part of the game. The key is to have a probabilistic mindset, and you know anything can happen. There isn't any strategy that is going to be giving you 100% results. And that is the mindset you should always have. And as a trader, if you train your mind to know that, the better, and you're going to find yourself focusing on more how you can get better entries than being worried about the losses, because the losses, they always happen in the market.
On your flight back to your hometown. I need some shelter of my own protection, baby.
How did you find about trading?
Serenity.
Guys, I was just scrolling and I found some guys flexing some crazy, big, crazy amounts. So I was curious to know what they do. And when they talked about trading, I didn't actually finish that video. I just went on Google and I put in what is trading. I discovered it. And from there, I just started looking for how I'm going to learn how to trade. Of course, I started from YouTube. But you keep on, as you keep on fully locking in trading, you get to meet fellow traders, and just the rest is history.
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry.
But that video, I can never forget it, man. It changed my whole perspective about life. And I believe I made it. I watched it in the right time of my life. Because that time I really had all the time in the world to learn, and I really took time to learn how to trade.
And I forsake the dark ahead if I stay.
I hope you know that this has nothing to do with you. It's personal, myself and I. Sellers are really dropping this down. Let us cruise with them. I'll see girl now. And these girls don't cry. They are still pushing this down, but let me see you type congratulations to Silverton. Let me see you type congratulations first. They really on to something here, to be honest. I need to see more congratulations, guys.
It's getting late, dark outside. Need to be with myself instead of sliding the serenity. I hope you know that this has nothing to do with you. It's personal, myself and I. Cause I'm gonna miss you like child misses a playground. Move on with my life.
And you know how we do it, guys? Everything goes to the participant right away. So let's do that.
Another one.
Guys, I'm still continuing with the bearish markets because structure is still confirming bearish market. Series of lower highs and lower lows still confirmed. So until the market really gives me a reason to shift your mindset, I will do. But for now, I'm still bearish. So let us lock in more attempts. And by the way, guys, I do have a Signal group. So if you want to join, it is simple. You can use the link. You can create an account with my link. You can create an account with my link. Send proof to me via Telegram, then I'll surely add you to the Signal group for free. I mean, isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? And Amora is here every day, 8 p.m. UK time. So be sure to join the trading assembly and we cruise and we'll be moving these markets, because if it is not us, then who? If it's not us that are moving these markets, then who? That's the reason why we are always locked in. Yes, now waste that time. I prefer donations. You can have both. Guys, you can always have both. I mean, donations are okay and open. You just have to use the donation link down in the description. And the Signal group, all you have to do is create an account with my link and surely I'll add you to the group. The signals are for 1 minute expiration. Oh my goodness, buyers are really coming after my entry. Dang. Sorry about that. All right, guys, I feel we are going to stop here. We have really had a great day, and we are going to be resuming from here tomorrow. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options. Amora is here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So be sure to join the trading assembly and we be moving the market. We have to be getting this far. Calamari is in a gary, raw sushi. And guys, you might have be sure to send the donations early so that you join the queue. You'll be the first to join the queue. I love you so much. Bye.
First time your friends really got to see all me.